did not. They have totally no idea. I thought she forgot she works at it. Kind of smells weird.
Yeah. Okay.
They haven't found out yet.
What's that?
The puppies haven't found out yet.
That's good.
the shit out of it too, you know? You just got the promotion. After all the fucking summer bullshit, they're finally gonna give her a raise she deserves. You know, after how many months?
Benefits and shit.
So we're gonna.
Oh, now,
we're gonna-
yeah.
Are we gonna switch tires on mine?
Why do you wanna switch tires? Just to look at it?
So I traded you tires, so.
That is, that is.
Yeah, that's it. I just took the tires off mine, or his and put them on mine.
Yeah, now we're gonna switch these to the back and then put these in the front. And I traded you on those tires, so then I get these.
I don't know if I do that. I take the center shaft out of my screw for all-wheel drive. Yeah, I almost bought a controller for it the other day, but it was a used one. I wasn't sure that would work. I didn't want to spend that kind of money on a used piece of junk. It don't have to work. So it's pretty well. But say you wanted a bigger engine next, right?
Yeah. Right off.
Well, stop destroying it. You don't have to spend all your money on it.
Now I don't wanna.
See how you were driving mine around front? Drive this just like it. Think you don't want brake.
Tree stumps and everything else, yeah, fine.
I mean, it does happen, but.
Oh, yeah.
You can take a lot of precautions so it won't bother you, destroying your shit.
Well, Jason's gotta learn that everything he gets on, he can't beat the snot out of it.
That's why he's
Like
paid
his
for
dirt
it.
bikes, you know, it's not made for racing up and down the dirt road. I tried to tell him slow down and maneuver the bike and stuff. He just wants to go straight down the road and back. As fast as
That's
he
why
can.
he's paying for this, so he can only break something to pay for.
Dude, he's, you know, that's what it is.
Teach you a little bit more respect for it.
Well, you don't take care of stuff, you don't have it. Period. Right? It's true, the whole life is where you
Right,
just
sister?
take care of what you got.
Right, sister?
Yeah, we should fall trout fishing.
Yeah, we took the boat out fishing. I took Mountain Up to East when they wasn't too fond of the boats. So we were fishing from the dock and shit. Well, no. No, he's not doing that for sure.
See? You have to start with yours first and learn yours first.
Because honestly, that blue stuff that I put in there, it's like straight poison. Like, if you get that in water, you can like kill everything. Like a lake, fish tank, you got your hands, put your hands in your fish tank, or your fish are gonna die. But be careful, man. So electric's good for you.
That one is good.
Yeah, but
And
it
it
takes
goes
like a
fast.
million hours to.
That's why you buy hard batteries.
If you have more than one
Yeah, but
battery,
like-
then you can just switch it out quick and keep going.
Yeah, but then if I like.
Exactly, you ain't gotta come back over here. Come on, we're on upstairs. See the puppies. You can go up that way to go. I got my hot tag.